Hello and welcome to Benz Addiction. This is super important when you want to diagnose your soft top. This is a comprehensive check for all the switches and micro switches for Mercedes SL from 1989 to 2002. You can pause the video and have a look at the location of these switches. You can also pause the video and have a look at the procedure, which is very clear. So we are going to check every single of these switches in different conditions of soft top, fabric bow, roller bar, and the compartment cover. So let's get started. Okay, this is an Australian car and you will find the soft top ECU under this compartment area behind the right hand side seat under this compartment. There is also this cover that you need to take off, and there is one number 10 nut, plastic nut over here. So if you search this part number 129-820-2526, you will find out that this is the top ECU. Okay, let's continue here. So I've got a sheet ready over here for the test procedure. I need a multimeter to test continuity, and then I need to remove this connector over here from the soft top, and that's possible with pulling this tab above this over here, and as you can see it's almost released. So the connector will come out from one side, from the other side only, and there we have it. Over here my cover is up, my bow is up, and my soft top is down but not locked. Okay, what I want to get now is number 26, pin number 26 here, and I count it from the top over here. That's the first one, number 1. So 26 would be the one you can see. And if I touch the other to the ground, you'll see that I have almost 0 ohm. Top cover is up, number 26 should be grounded. Second test. Okay, I have locked both soft top front locks with the provided wrench in the boot. It's a number 6 Allen key. Using those and the holes just at the front of the sun visors, and I am checking number 11. So number 11 should now be grounded. So as you can see, there is 0 resistance for number 11 as well as number 30, 27, 28, 29, 30. And let's check to see if it's grounded, and yes, it is. So my front locks micro switch working. So let's move on to the fabric bow switch. Okay, now I know my bow is raised. It's almost 90 degrees. I go ahead and check my bow over here. So the pin number is 44. I've got 44 here, and I go ahead and check that. That's almost 0 ohm, which is good. Okay guys, this was the procedure of testing different switches. You might find one or some of these switches faulty. The most problematic switch is number 44, pin number 44, which is S846. That's the bow raised or lowered switch. So S846 is most of the time culprit, but this is the way you can test that too. Okay, I think I have provided enough example of how to diagnose different switches, but here I think there is necessary to explain a bit more about these switches. So this one, as you can see, the most important one is the bow extension is number one, which is located on the left hand side and in between all the mechanism. It's one of the hardest to see. The second one is it's in the compartment area, and when the soft top goes down, it triggers this switch. These are the mid locks, which we have two of them in the compartment of the soft top area. This is the front locks. We have two of these. And then this is the magnetic sensor for the front top of the windshield in the center. Also, we have the rear locks, which are visible from the boot area or the trunk area. This is the roller bar switch, which I haven't seen this one myself. Soft top compartment switch is just below the cover, the compartment cover area. So this one, when compartment cover goes down, triggers this one, triggers and untriggers this one. And finally, sometimes these can be problematic. Window limit switches are inside the doors. And I think I have included everything over here. So you need to do your study as I did, and I'm hoping that you solve your problem very soon. Okay, I thought I should give you the exact location of some of these sensors on the car while I'm working here. This is the bow extension, the hardest to see. I can trigger it for you now. On the left hand side, can you hear this? And these are 3 adjustment screws. And you can trigger it by almost 5 to 10 degrees when you lower your bow. Okay, second one is the soft top up. This is the switch over here. And the soft top, when goes down, it pushes this down. Number 3, this is the mid locks. One over here and one on the other side. This one on the left hand side doesn't have a sensor. The front locks, this one too easy. The front lock is over here. And over here, as you can see, this is a magnet. And in this area we have the sensor for the soft top closing. Okay, next one is the front of the soft top that I showed you just now, and these are the rear locks. Okay, the rear locks are visible from here. These are the rear locks, and it actually extends to the boot area. This is the roller bar sensor, which I don't know where they are exactly. These are the soft top compartment. Okay, the soft top compartment lid or the cover is the one over there, as you can see on the other side exactly. And if you just lower the compartment door, you can hear that click. That's the one. All right, next one is, and finally the last ones are the window limit switches located underneath underneath the both doors. So underneath both doors there are two switches or actuators when we talk about these. Please refer to Benz World for more information. There is also a comprehensive PDF for R129 Soft Top. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this video could give you some hint of what to do to check your switches.